This has to be on your list if you come to New Zealand. Wow. Worth it, worth it, worth it. Don't miss this. Do not miss this. Hello. So, yesterday we drove from Lake Pukaki all the way down to Milford Sound, which was a long drive. It's about 6 hours, and we slept at a DOC campsite, which you have to book in advance, particularly this time of year, or you can pay cash on arrival. It's kind of like an honesty system, but they do say if you don't pay, there will be somebody waking you up at 6 a.m. to kick you out. So be honest about it. But we parked as close as we can to Milford Sound, and we came down really early this morning to book ourselves onto a boat. And just know here that the parking here is $10 an hour. That is crazy. So we are doing it ourselves. We've booked ourselves onto a cruise, whereas you can get like a boat cruise where they pick you up in Te Anau or Manapuri, I think it is. But we wanted to do the drive. So we're here, and I'm very, very excited for this. It is freezing, so I've got all my layers on, and we are about to jump in a boat for 2 hours. Let's get going. So as you approach Milford Sound from further back than Te Anau, actually, there is no freedom camping, and you can't pull up at the side of the road. It's not allowed. So just know that you are going to have a campsite if you are in a camper van here. So I enjoy freedom camping. I like the flexibility of it, but the site was just really basic. The toilets at some of the sites, but not all of the sites. But no shower yet or electricity. What a nice walk. I am very excited for this. So there are plenty of boats. They start around 8-9 o'clock in the morning. Most are 2 hours. Pick your size, pick your cruise.
Now I've seen you guys got some Milford Haven tickets, so I'll have to relieve you of those before you go on the boat. So come on down. Thanks so much. So just along to the right, please. Just that right here.
Greetings and salutations everyone, welcome aboard.
This amazing landscape was formed over 10,000 years ago during the last ice age. Milford Sound was named by a Welsh explorer after his homeland, Milford Haven in Wales. This is considered one of New Zealand's #1 tourist destinations, drawing over 500,000 visitors every year, despite its remote location. There are 2 permanent waterfalls called Stirling and Lady Bowen Falls, but after heavy rain there can be up to 100 temporary waterfalls. This is absolutely amazing. It's so peaceful. We've slowed down. We've got dolphins off the bow. I'm at Milford Sound. Kit Kat. There. Milford Sound is home to New Zealand's fur seals, bottlenose dolphins, and even the rare Fiordland crested penguin, one of the world's rarest penguins.
So it looks like they've entered out to the So we have no residential pod here at Milford.
So despite the name, Milford Sound is technically a fjord, not a sound. Fjords are carved by glaciers, while sounds are formed by rivers.
Slightly spotted some more wildlife. So up ahead of us there's a rock. And then directly on top of the last rock.
And one of the things that I didn't know is that Milford Sound is actually one of the rainiest places on Earth, in 182 days of rainfall a year, which contributes to this beautiful landscape where it's so lush and green here. But yes, bring all your layers. Still can't walk in a box. I can definitely see why this is called one of the 8 wonders of the world. It's just can't stop growing. This has to be on your list if you come to New Zealand. Yes, it's slightly more expensive than other things that we'll do on this trip, but wow, worth it, worth it, worth it. So if you look on different websites like Your Guide or BookMe, you can get tickets usually for about £60 to £70 for a 2-hour cruise. But it's worth looking around, see your options, but don't miss this. Do not miss this.
Looking out towards the mountains, that is your photo.
dry land now and I can walk, which is good. So thank you very much for joining me here in Milford Sound, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm heading over to Queenstown. See you there.